Welcome, you poor unfortunate souls, to my underwater cavern. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to look glam like me while being evil, and then I must proceed to getting that aerial girl. So come on, I don't have time to waste. Alright, my love, so to achieve that bold look that she has around her eyes, I'm going to be taking my Wet n Wild multi-stick in the shade Black Noir, and I'm just going to draw some circles neatly around my eyes, and then I'm just going to clean them up a bit. I am now going to be taking my Wet n Wild Brights Vive palette, and I'm going to take that gorgeous blue, and that is going to be Ursula's eyeshadow, guys. I wanted to use paint instead of actual eyeshadow, but you could do it any way you want. And then I'm going to take that light purple shade, and I'm going to be painting that all over my face using a foundation brush, or you could use your fingers. It's totally up to you. And Lost, I just want to let you guys know ahead of time, because I know that some people might bring it up. I didn't end up painting my whole body because I did not have enough paint to do that, and I also did not want to get this swimsuit dirty, as it is not mine, it is my sister's. And I also want to point out another thing. I think that this wig is a kid's wig, even though it says adults on the front, because it was really small for my head and it kept falling off, as you guys can see. And now it is time to add her evil eyebrows. Now guys, before I do this, I'm going to sketch it out with a brush. And I'm using that same multi-stick, by the way. And then I'm going to draw the actual eyebrows on with the multi-stick itself. I am now going to be taking my Tarte Pro Remix palette, and I'm going to take the shade Create, and I'm going to add that silver eyeshadow that Ursula has above her eyes. And guys, you could be as generous as you want with this eyeshadow. There's no limits because, hey, it's Ursula, it's Halloween, and guys, she's an evil villain. I really do love how this came out in the end though. Now, just a huge tip for you guys. If you have really oily skin like I do, I'm just letting you know now, you might want to use eyeshadow instead of paint for your eyelids. I really wanted to use the paint though. However, it will melt off because mine kept doing so, and in between filming takes, I had to keep touching it up. So, just letting you guys know, if you are going to use this look, please use eyeshadow if you have really oily skin instead of paint on your eyelids. Alright, my loves, and now I'm going to be taking my Colourpop Ultra Matte Lippie in the shade Starcrossed to give myself those extra luscious lips. And now I'm going to add on Ursula's Beauty Mark with a brush, and then I'm going to go over it with my multi-stick. And now I'm going to take that same blue paint and I'm going to line under my eyes. And guys, by the way, if you have sensitive eyes like me, be careful with this because it did make my eyes water. And now it is time to curl those lashes, and I'm going in with my Smashbox Superfan Fanned Out Mascara. I did try to add some fake lashes to this, but honestly, because of the paint in my oily skin, it did keep slipping off, so I just used mascara. But if you guys want to use falsies, go on ahead. Alright, and here you have it. Now you guys can look as glorious as me while performing your duties. Now, I really do not have much time to waste. I need to get that aerial girl. So, what are you all still doing here? Scurry on. I've got things to do. Unless you want to stick around and enjoy the show.
Come winds of the Caspian Sea. Now brings us glossitis, next laryngitis, the bullshit to me. Now sing.
Until next time.
I can feel your